Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Whether you want peace of mind, lower insurance premiums, or the option to record motoring mishaps, dashboard cameras make it easy to capture footage while you are driving. They can also provide essential evidence in the event of an accident. In this video, you will see the top 5 car dash cameras for security and safety. Let's get started. This is Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam. It is an ideal dual-lens dash cam for drivers that will need evidence in the event some rowdy passengers do damage to their car. Unlike typical dash cams that utilize Sony sensors for both cameras, the N2 Pro uses a better high-performance 4-megapixel camera chip sensor in a native 16:9 format designed for next-generation surveillance and security systems for its front camera to ensure the best visibility. It includes 2 cameras that records the road ahead and inside cabin at 1080p, and single front camera records up to 2.5K. Built-in microphone captures any verbal altercations. Both cameras auto records once the front or inside camera detect movement, which ensures nearly 360 degrees protection when you leave your vehicle unattended, while most dual cameras can only detect movement in front. It also has 4 infrared sensors, meaning even in complete darkness the camera can capture usable images. While other cameras claim to have night vision, but the Vantrue N2 Pro can provide clear footage even with no lighting. It supports external memory capacity up to 256 GB to meet your need of a long-time recording. Regular firmware updates to ensure improved features and functionality for maximum quality. You can always improve the performance of your N2 Pro and see the benefits of the numerous new features and functions with the latest firmware update. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Rove R2 with 4K resolution and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS dash cam. R2 dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. Use the Rove app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps with Wi-Fi using the app, or with the car DV player. The company provides free firmware upgrade for this car camera. The car dashboard camera has f1.8 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, 150 degrees A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 GB Class 10. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is BLACKVUE Full HD Cloud Dashcam. With its ultra-wide 162-degree front camera and wide 139-degree rear camera angle, your vehicle is well protected while driving or parked. The front 8-megapixel sensor produces spectacular 4K Ultra HD footage, letting you read license plates from farther away. With high-efficiency video coding, the video files stay small so you can record for as long as a standard Full HD dashcam. It also features dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi for super-fast file transfer to your phone. It is not about playing videos on a giant screen, although you could do that too. It's about providing video proof. A dashcam is only as good as its ability to capture crucial details, usually license plate numbers. And with its fast shutter speed, details are frozen in place, and you can just pause and zoom in. In parking mode, your dashcam monitors your parked vehicle, recording videos when it detects movement or impact. It also includes the few seconds before the triggering event, thanks to buffered recording. The BLACKVUE app for iOS or Android, and Viewer Windows or Mac are free to download and use. Both allow you to change settings and review videos sorted by time and type such as normal, or event, or parking. Enjoy remote live view, and push notifications to your phone, and back up important videos to the cloud remotely. With the BLACKVUE app, connect with Wi-Fi to your dashcam to retrieve videos on the spot. Play and download videos from your dashcam's memory, or the cloud from anywhere. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. The Thinkware F800 Pro Dash Cam brings next-generation technology to the marketplace. It records in Full HD 1080p, 30 fps video quality with excellent performance in any condition, even in low-light situations. Parking mode ready, where the dash cam can detect impact and motion even while you are away. Extend coverage duration by keeping the dashcam in the energy-saving mode during an activity. With the premium Sony Starvis CMOS sensor that provides flawless recording quality with super night vision, coupled with the new energy-saving parking surveillance mode that extends coverage duration exponentially, this dashcam is leading the charges, pushing automotive technology to the next level. Built-in Wi-Fi with mobile app viewer with easy device settings configuration, and reviewing video footage without leaving your vehicle. Built-in GPS for red light and speed cameras, and allows you to embed GPS data such as speed, time, and location to video recordings. Monitor your vehicle's activity remotely at no additional cost. You can check your vehicle's location, and receive notifications directly on your compatible iOS or Android smartphone. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Nextbase 422GW Dashcam. Use Alexa to play music, place calls, or get directions without removing your hands from the wheel, or your eyes from the road. Record your journey on the road with a 1440p, or 30 fps HD dash cam with the highest quality images of everything that happens to you on the road. View and share footage using the free My Nextbase cloud storage. All Nextbase cameras are equipped with night vision to record the road at any time of day. In the event of an accident, the dashcam will alert the emergency services to your location thanks to its high-accuracy GPS. The alert instantly sends your personal medical data such as blood type and medical history to paramedics to aid in the rescue. It has 2.5 inches IPS HD touchscreen for enhanced ease of use while on the road. Emergency SOS will alert the emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. Intelligent parking mode records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. Easily add on additional camera modules to this dash cam to expand viewing areas including rear view, rear window, and cabin view. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.